welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Thank you for joining me and for watching. Obviously you can tell by the title, this is a, well, basically sin-free Slimming World cottage pie, and I will show you what I've done, and I will put the ingredients and stuff below. So yeah guys, I will see you at the end of the video. Ingredients: I've got some mushrooms, some diced onion, some Maris piper potato and then I've got 2 packs of the lean mince 5%, and I've got some oxo cubes, and I've got the vegetables cooking in the slow cooker, and then I have green beans to put at the side and the rest of it. So I will be back when I am cooking. Guys, so what I've done, well, my partner has kindly, I've peeled the potatoes, he's cut them into small chunks so they actually cook, and you have to cook them until they are soft. I have done the onions, and I am about to stick the mince in with them. That's 1, and that is 2. Make sure the right way round when you do this because of that problem. I was actually recording for you guys, so I had to do it that way, and the veg are cooking in here. So I done mushrooms, carrots, broccoli, and that's to actually go in, and then these beans are actually for the side. So I will be back with the next step, because these I will have to wait for them to cool down before you can even start to put any potato on them, because it says on the recipe if you put it on while all this is hot, because you obviously have to put this at the bottom, it will just sink through. So I will be back when the potatoes are done and basically everything is prepped and ready to go, and I will see you all at the end. At this point you can add your 2 beef oxo cubes. So I will see you guys in a bit, so stay tuned. So I have actually added some tomato puree into it, just one of them. Depends on what recipe you actually look at. Some say you can add tin tomatoes, and then one that just says tomato puree. So I've just added some tomato puree, but if you do want it more to watery, some more speedy food into it, which I might just put some more passata in it. Sorry about this, guys. Yeah, so I'm just going to put some passata in. So somehow Hold on a second, guys. I'll just put you down there. Right, so I'm just going to add some passta in. That will be enough. So I'm just gonna stir, and what I'm going to do is just gonna leave that to simmer down. So that is front right, so I'm just gonna leave that to simmer down. So yeah guys, like I said, I will be back. I just had to put some extra and come back to you with some extras. So yeah, I'll see you again soon. Hi guys, so I am back. The mashed potato is done. You can add milk or your butter suds, but your butter suds for each sachet are 0.5. Or you can add your milk. Obviously you get 2 A's now, but I'm not going to put anything in my mashed potato, because I'm going to put my cheese on top. And then obviously I've just got to wait for these mince to cool down before I do anything, obviously and my vegetables are still cooking very, very nicely. So I will be back when I have put the mince in the bottom or the veg, mix that in, and the mash on top. So I will be back soon. Hey guys, so everything's been cooled down. I made a mistake. I didn't boil enough potatoes, so it's had to go in like this. It's basically, you have to put it in until it's crisp enough and how you want it. So yeah guys, I will put what I used below. And I will be using my cheese allowance, only 50 grams of that 50% cheese, and I'll put that below as well and explain about the cheese. So, and then later I'll probably just have for pudding, I'll probably just have some fruit and yogurt, and then I will have Weetabix, 2 Weetabix, and the rest of my milk allowance with my Weetabix. So yeah guys, I haven't put anything in the potato because I want to be good, obviously. So as you can see, obviously it looks a bit naff and a bit wrong, but it probably when things look naff, they probably end up tasting nice. So I'm just going to go with it, and I will see you guys soon. Hello guys, so that is the end of the video. So if you did enjoy, give me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe if you liked it. Any video ideas, would be thankful. Just put them down below. And I will see you in my next video. And plus, if you want to subscribe, my face will be down here as usual, and my previous video will be down the side as well as usual. But if you do like my Slimming World videos, you just go into my channel and you look through my videos, and there will be some Slimming World videos in there, and there'll be more in the future. So I will see you guys soon. I will love and leave you guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.